Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and granting mic and camera permission. This avoids delays later. Once done, go to Meet. Google.com or open the calendar invite and press Join. Make sure you select the correct microphone and camera from the device menu so participants hear and see you. If you use a USB headset, confirm it's chosen. These immediate steps get you live fast and prevent common connection hiccups before the meeting starts. Once in the meeting, pick a layout that suits the purpose. Tiled for collaboration, spotlight for a presenter. Then, if you need to show slides or an app, click Present Now and choose Screen, Window, or Chrome tab. Chrome tab gives best audio for videos. Make sure to enable captions for accessibility and change your background if needed to reduce distractions. Also pin or spotlight a speaker to control the visible focus. These choices shape how everyone experiences the call. To finish, stop any recording and end the meeting for everyone or leave while assigning a host. Recordings autosave to Drive and link in chat. Afterward, post the recording and notes to the calendar event or group chat so absent attendees can catch up. If something goes wrong, try this quick fix. Check browser mic/camera permissions, reconnect or select a different device, and as a fallback, join by phone. These final steps close the loop and keep workflows smooth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.